Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens here, showing you how to install a weight kit to your Ariens 2-stage Sno-Thro. By adding weight to your Sno-Thro housing digs into snowpack more effectively, improving scraping performance. And though we're using a deluxe series model for this demonstration, this 10-pound weight kit, part number 724065, fits most classic and compact series models, as well as all deluxe, platinum, and professional series models. If you have a classic or compact series with a 20-inch wide housing, use part number 720016.
Remove the contents from the box and verify you have a weight and a hardware bag with the instruction sheet. Depending on your model, you may not use all the hardware supplied in the kit, and the instructions may vary slightly. But for this model, we're going to install one flat steel washer onto each bolt and then insert each bolt through the top of the housing. Install the weight over the hardware and position it against the top of the housing. With its smaller diameter facing up, install a flange bushing onto one of the bolts, followed by one of the nuts. Just finger tighten the nut for now. Repeat the process with the same hardware on the remaining side, then tighten all hardware.
To find a weight kit for your Ariens Sno-Thro, visit your nearest Ariens dealer, which can be found at ariens.com/dealer. Or shop from home by going to parts.ariens.com. Now that's all for today, but if you guys like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated whenever we share a new video like this one.